Hey guys, Dominique here. So I wanted to show you guys another auction for a few other trucks. I've got my laptop here and we're gonna take a look and see where they're at. They're supposed to end tomorrow. So I'm just gonna run through a few of these trucks real quick, tell you what I like, what I don't like, and they're already pretty much out of my budget. So I don't think I'm gonna be bidding on any of these, but I definitely wanted to show them to you guys because these are the trucks. These are the type of trucks that I want. Okay, let's get this pulled up here. Scroll down, find the trucks. Of course, my internet is super slow, so give me just 1 second here. Sorry, guys. Okay, so this is James G. Murphy & Co. auction. This is one of our local ones, not far away. Looks like they've got a lot of stuff here. So we're just gonna search up Kenworth. That way we don't have to scroll through everything. Okay. So these trucks look to me to be old county trucks. I don't know for sure, but they definitely look like they used to have snowplows on the front. Let's take a look at this white one. I think this white one is the most popular one. Not only is it already up over $80,000, but I've seen a few posts about it on social media. So it's in Kenmore, Washington, which is not very far away from where I live. So let's take a look here. Oh, pretty decent wheels. Not perfect, but better than those white ones on the last truck. Drop axle. Oh, it has P-gates, that's nice. That's helpful. Okay, like their little flap there. A little bit dirty. I think I would have pressure washed it before I sent it to auction, but that's just me. Okay, so Cat C12, 18 speed. It is a pretty nice looking truck. I mean, minus those weird lights that are mounted to the hood. Cab looks pretty normal. It actually has a passenger seat. That's helpful. Some kind of computer mounted up there. Older style dash. That's pretty normal. It's kind of all the trucks that I'm looking at have that dash. Okay. So looks like we got some controls here. Sorry if it's noisy in here, guys. The washing machine's running upstairs. VIN number. I like this truck a lot. I can see why it's so popular on social media. I definitely wouldn't mind driving this one. It's a nice looking truck. Definitely need a new front bumper. I do like white because it's really classic looking, and you know, everybody has white trucks. It's not a big deal. Not standing out can be a good thing. Okay, so 348,000 miles. That's not bad. The truck looks like it's in pretty good shape. Let's take a look at one of these other ones here. Okay, so this one is an 05. I don't really like that box. So let's move on over here. All right, I can't see what it says on the door there, but it does look like it used to have a snow plow. I think that's a snow plow bumper. I could be wrong. I don't know anything about snow plows. Tires don't look to be in as good a shape as the white truck. Got your nice white wheel there. Everybody loves white wheels, right? No P gates, so that's kind of a bummer. Still looks pretty nice though. It looks like it's in pretty good shape. I definitely like chain hangers. I hate when my chains dangle. Even if a truck doesn't have them though, you can always add them. Suspension. Dirt in the box. What's with trucks at auction with dirt in the box? Come on, guys. I wouldn't mind red. I really like red. I think white would probably be a little bit better, but I wouldn't mind red. Don't like the wheels, of course. C15. I didn't look and see what transmission this one had. Pretty typical interior. Looks like it's been used, but doesn't look like it's been too beat. Controls, wired for, plumbed for a pup, that's good. Looks pretty good to me. I didn't look too closely, but I don't think that they have mechanical write-ups in here. Maybe they do. I don't know if it was as serious as the last auction, or they had video and everything. $277,000 miles, 9,000 hours. I do like the stock Kenworth seat and the stock Kenworth steering wheel. I'm a creature of habit. We all know that. Those wheels are just bad. All rusted. That's okay. I do really like this truck. That the weird bug shield, the broken one, would have to go and need a new front bumper and new wheels, but you could always roll with most of that stuff until you have the extra cash to replace it or repair it. Okay, so these trucks all look to be about the same, from same company or same municipal. I mean, they're all basically what I'm looking for. I'm not really, I don't want to bid. That's not what I meant to do. Okay. Has a tarp system, and those are manual tarps. I don't mess around with manual tarps. Hallmax suspension, 18 speed, double frame, PTO will not engage. Okay. 285,000 miles. PTO not engaging, that, I mean, it could be something simple, but it also could be something complicated. You never know. Again with the white wheels. Rusted steer tire wheel. Drop axle. Yeah, those tires don't look like they're in that great a shape. Again with no P gates. I don't know what they use these trucks for, but definitely not paving. Some of these tires look like they're in decent shape. Some of them look like they're completely bald. Oh, at least there's no dirt in the back of this one. Or is that a little bit of dirt there under the rust? Yeah, I don't like manual tarps. They just end up being a big wad of fabric and you never use them. I mean, this would be a good starter truck if you get it for a decent price, but I kind of feel like it's already going for more than what I would be willing to pay for it with the PTO not engaging. As I don't know how many hours Bobby would have to spend trying to fix it or trying to diagnose what's wrong with it and fixing it, and I wouldn't want to spend $80,000, $90,000 on a truck that the PTO doesn't engage. Okay. So it looks like these were all manufactured by the same company. I don't know who the manufacturer is, but they're all about the same, set up the same. All missing the same gauge. Eaton Fuller, I love an Eaton Fuller. 284,000 miles, 4,000 hours. It has half the amount of hours as that other truck. I mean, it doesn't look too bad. Looks pretty good. I like it. But to me, I probably wouldn't spend more than about 40, maybe 50 grand for this truck, just not knowing what exactly is wrong with the PTO. It's probably something stupid simple, quick and easy. Okay. Let's see. Let's go take a look at this one. $13,500. Let's see. I wonder why. Okay, tarp system. Oh, it's got a Detroit. That's why it's so cheap. Nobody wants a Detroit. Okay. Let's click through here and see what we're looking at. Block beam, suspension. I'm gonna guess that's not 26,000. I'm guessing that's 260,000 miles. I could be wrong. Maybe we'll see it in the pictures. 8LL. Ooh, yeah. Not really. Like, that's fine if you're just gonna be solo or you're gonna be hauling equipment. But truck and trailer, and that's my goal. The 8LLs suck for truck and trailer. I've had one truck and trailer, and the first dump truck, the first one that I ever drove, truck and trailer, had an 8LL in it, and it was always fine hauling equipment, always fine solo. But once you put that loaded pup on there, that thing, it just bogged way down, and they're too far apart. Okay, everybody in their dirt. Oh my gosh, it has a tarp, a power tarp system, but the bars broke. I guess I didn't notice that in the last picture or in those other pictures. Okay, let's see here. I wonder if the tarp bar is still there or if it's completely busted off. I didn't even see. Okay. Oh, yep. So those tarp bars, they automatically, like, they spring to the open position. And so when they break like that, they go to the open position. It's kind of ugly on the inside. Those other trucks looked a lot nicer. Ugly is doable though. I mean, we're just out here to make money, right? So, old steering wheel. I guess it doesn't matter. Oh, I like the cup holder. That's funny. I guess it doesn't matter how ugly it is. It still makes the same amount of money. It's all about how much weight you can haul, not how pretty you are. Lowered truck bed before moving. Huh, okay. I wonder what happened there. Oh yeah, 263,000 miles. Seems pretty low for how old it is. I don't know. Division of pack car, okay. Yeah, there's the broken tarp bar. There's a bungee cord holding on. That's funny. That would have to be fixed. It's got chains on the side there. Huh. Never driven a truck where the chains didn't come from the bottom. I mean, it's not a bad looking truck. Needs some things. I don't know, I'd probably pay 30 grand for that with the Detroit and the 8LL. I'd just be planning on keeping it solo though. But I don't know, I guess we'll see what it goes for. 47 bids. All right, guys, well, I think that's about it. So all these trucks, it looks like I was wrong about when I said that they were gonna end tomorrow. They're ending later today. I guess we'll see then what they go for. You can see the most popular ones. The white one, and then this red one over here. And the least popular is the Kenworth with Detroit. Of course, nobody wants the Detroit. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed looking at that auction with me. I'll definitely get an update for you after they're finished. That'll be later today, but you know me, I have a million balls in the air and I'm trying to get things done all the time. So I'm gonna try to get an update after it ends, but I don't know when that will be. So, like always, I appreciate you guys watching and I'm so grateful for each and every one of you. And if you wanna support me in this endeavor, there's links down below in the description to my website, and then a couple affiliate links, and then also my Patreon. My patrons know sooner what's happening because I post the videos there first, and then also I'm gonna get back into posting behind the scenes content, you know, more daily updates, more vlogging. So if you guys want to support me there, go ahead and do that. But I do appreciate the fact that you're just here watching, and I will see you guys next time.